3 days, 2.5 nights, 1 suitcase. Let's do this. Here's my itinerary for the work trip. As you can see, on day 1, we are traveling. Gonna be traveling from about 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then after that, we have a 30-minute drive to the hotel, and then we'll go to a nice dinner. So I just wanna start off by saying, everything you're going to see in this is temperature regulating. Anyways, so this is what I wore while traveling. We've got the flare pants, love, the tank top, which is ribbed, high neck, super flattering, and a lightweight jacket. Love everything that I have on in this. And then for dinner, I am packing my favorite midi dress. This is called the Cassie. She's super versatile. Dress her up, dress her down. I actually did a styling video on it, so check that out at the end of this video, but love the Cassie, brought her. Day 2 is a long one. We are working from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a 30-minute lunch. So here's what I'm gonna wear to work in on day 2. We worked hard all day, and now we are going to go to a nice dinner. We are walking there, so I wanted to wear something comfy but really cute and acceptable in this nicer restaurant. So here's what I went with. Super simple, but love her. Day 3 is arguably the most important day. We're only working from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., but everything that we're trying to get done in that amount of time is... And then, after we leave at 3:30, we're traveling until about 3 o'clock in the morning. So it's definitely gonna be a long day, and I want to make sure I am comfortable, can move well, and don't even have to worry about like adjusting anything on my body. I just need to go. So I'm wearing this combination, literally my favorite. The joggers and the bodysuit. Oh, it doesn't get better than that. All right, that's all I have for y'all. Thanks for tuning in.